Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Want to master present indefinite tense from basic to advanced? In this video, you will learn how sentence structures change in affirmative, negative and interrogative forms with easy examples. What is present indefinite tense? And when use the present indefinite tense? We use the present indefinite tense to talk about daily routines, habits, general facts, likes and dislikes, and universal truth. For examples, I go to school every day. This is a daily routine because I do it every day. He drinks tea every morning. He drinks tea every morning. This is a habit because he does it regularly. Okay? The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth because it is always true. Okay? She likes music. She likes music. This shows a like or preference. They do not like spicy food. They do not like spicy food. This shows a dislike. Okay? Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a general fact because it is scientifically true. So we use the present indefinite tense for daily routines, habits, likes and dislikes, general facts and universal truths. Okay? Next page. In this video, we will learn all four types of present indefinite tense sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative. We will learn their structures and examples step by step. Okay. Next page. Let's learn the affirmative structures of the present indefinite tense. Structures: subject plus verb 1 S या es plus object. In affirmative sentences, we use the first form of the verb 1. We add s or es only with he, she, it and singular nouns. Examples: he plays cricket. He plays cricket. Sahil goes to school. Sahil goes to school. With I, we, you, they and plural nouns, we use the verb without s या es. Examples: I play cricket. I play cricket. Not I plays cricket. It is not right sentence. Right sentence: I play cricket. We read books. It is right sentence. We read books. Remember, we add s or es only with he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay, it is clear. Now let's look at some affirmative sentences in the present indefinite tense. These sentences describe our daily routines and habits. Notice that the subject is I or we, so we use the base form of the verb without s or es. Examples: I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a bath every day. I take a bath every day. I go to work on time. I go to work on time. I study English daily. I study English daily. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. I help my parents. I help my parents. I speak English with my friends. I speak English with my friends. We play cricket in the evening. We play cricket in the evening. We watch TV together. We watch TV together. Remember, with I and we use the first form of verb 1 without s or es. Okay? Next page. Next page. When a verb ends in ch, sh, double s, x or o, we add es instead of just s with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Examples: watch, watches, wash, washes, pass, passes, fix, fixes, go, goes, do, does. Example sentences: he watches TV every day. He watches TV every day. She washes her clothes. She washes her clothes. He passes the exam. He passes the exam. She fixes the computer. She fixes the computer. He goes to school. He goes to school. She does her homework. She does her homework. Remember, most verbs takes only s, but verbs ending in ch, sh, double s, x or o take es. Okay? In this, when a verb ends with a consonant plus y, we remove y and add ies with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Examples: study to studies, fly to flies, cry to cries, carry to carries. Example sentences: he studies English every day. He studies English every day. A bird flies in the sky. The baby cries loudly. The baby cries loudly. She carries a bag to school. She carries a bag to school. Remember, if a verb ends in consonant plus y, change y to I and add es. Okay? When a verb ends with a vowel plus y, we simply add s. We do not change y to ies. Examples: play to plays, enjoy to enjoys, buy to buys. Example sentences: he plays cricket every day. He plays cricket every day. She enjoys music. She enjoys music. He buys vegetables from the market. He buys vegetables from the market. Remember, if a vowel a, E, I, O, U comes before Y, just add S. Just add S. Okay? Now let's look at some negative sentences in the present indefinite tense. First, structure: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. I do not wake up late. I do not wake up late. I do not waste my time. I do not waste my time. I do not tell lies. I do not tell lies. I do not forget my work. I do not forget my work. We do not miss our classes. We do not miss our classes. We do not argue with others. We do not argue with others. You do not understand me. You do not understand me. You do not listen carefully. You do not listen carefully. They do not come here every day. They do not come here every day. They do not help poor people. They do not help poor people. Okay? Now let's look at some interrogative sentences in the present and definite tense. Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? Do you go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? Do you exercise in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning? Does he come to the office on time? Does he come to the office on time? Does she cook food every day? Does she cook food every day? Does this machine work properly? Does this machine work properly? Does the train stop here? Does the train stop here? Do you understand English? Do you understand English? Does the sun rises in the east? Does the sun rises in the east? Does water boil at 100 degrees Celsius? Does water boil at 100 degrees Celsius? Okay. I hope you understand today's lesson. Practice it regularly and make your English stronger. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay.